of applying to a particular course or university. It's a document that is required by the universities abroad. It is needed to justify your intention behind studying abroad. In order to better understand, let us see. To begin with, there are few steps to remember. Paragraph format. It's just like your essay writing, then bullets are needed. She might have gone for lectures. Project, na, keep it on that table and tell Hina ma'am, she will, yeah. Okay. So we're talking about, okay. See, you can see 150 to 200 words. Introduction. This is not self-introduction. Introduce the academic field of it. Like I told you, what you're talking about in your KG classes and all, what you did, laughing, playing, those things are not there. In an autobiography, you write those things also, but it's kind of a mini autobiography where you're restricting yourself to your academic field, to your field of interest, skills, what is going to allow you to join that particular university. Introduce the academic field of interest. Write how and why it interests you. Why is it so? Why do you find it interesting? What do you aspire to do in this domain? In this domain means in this area or in this field. Then background, academic information of either school or college. If at all you have done something different, something extra, your industrial exposure and training experience. If you have any see, a lot of children feel I worked when I was in 10th standard, I took up classes, something like that. You have all these things. What you do all these things, and many people think that I worked only for 2 months. ये थोड़ी ना काम होता है. It's not like that, children. Even that counts. Your experience, it could be of 2 months, but you have worked somewhere. That is your industry experience. How you have managed to garner clients, how you have managed to achieve something, that those things you need to maintain or mention in your SOP. Then any sort of extracurricular act that I already told you, any sports, dance, drama, any sort, and an SOP, MBA SOP, that is your Masters of Business Administration. Like we have our MMS course here from University of Mumbai. Then if you want to study for your MS, then relevant to that course, you want a mastery over there, so you need to draft that also additionally. So up to UG, what you have done and why you want to get into MBA, that you will have to write. Then specify why you want to pursue this particular course. Discuss the course curriculum. What is the curriculum like? What has interested, what has drawn your attention uh, in this particular field? Then explain the skills you would enhance during the course. What kind of skills are you going to gain by joining this course? Very important. Clearly specify your goal immediately after this course. Very important. Specify your goal after this course. Portray your long-term plans. 10 to 15 down the line. Very important. Long-term goals or plans, what you need to achieve, what you're planning to achieve, and what you're planning to do immediately after the course, and what you're going to do in, maybe few years down the line. Immediately you would like to get into some job or something, some company, but after that you may wish to have your own startup. You could be like a unicorn, a new startup. They never talk about staying in foreign country for long. Okay, every time don't talk about saying that I want to stay in the foreign country and that is why I'm pursuing. See, those things don't reveal to them that by the grace of God, if you are successful, you can definitely shift and migrate over there. But don't mention there in that particular SOP that your intention behind joining this course is that you get a ready-made opportunity to stay there. A lot of people think like that and they go there, but don't mention that. Your chances will be very low. Until and unless, of course, as I told you, children, you have enough money and you write your SOP and then send, and they might give you permission for the same. Then, specific features of university that attract you. What is so special about this university? Why does it attract you? How its exposure would help you realize your goals? Okay. If you go there, if you join this particular university, how is it going to help you fulfill your goals, your dreams, your aspirations? And in the end, sum up what you have written. You have to write you have to write like a summary what you have written overall, covering the whole perspective, the whole SOP. Then do not write anything about financial assistantship, that you would like to gain some financial assistance from the university, you would like to earn while you learn and you look forward to getting it from the university. Don't share these things. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
children.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
you just, yeah. This was scholarship. There are lots of SOPs here. You can go through. It's for engineering. So you go through the SOPs only which is from your field, children. There are hundreds of SOPs. This is the MBA for marketing. Yeah. Are you seeing this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who will read this?
Prices flash में मला मला आम्हाला बाकी
Yes. Anybody? Who will read? Nobody wants to
Ma'am, page
read,
is
na?
not clear.
Can't read? Okay, 1 second. Then say that, na, children. Now,
Yes, ma'am. No.
foolish children only, not even telling if it's not clear. I would have zoomed it. Yes. Now I think you can read. Read. Who's reading it?
Release of maps only for my stable is smaller, but also getting the idea out there into the maps.
Who's that?
Make
Shaheen, my child. Okay, Muskan, read. Shaheen was saying something, I guess. Muskan, read, child.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Shaheen was reading for herself. She was taking a trial.
I'll start.
Yeah, yes, sure.
For a business, having a new and innovative idea is the only part of the battle. The other parts relies on not only forming a stable business model, but also getting the idea out there into the market. Successful marketing strategies can either make or break a business. And I have long been interested in the ability to integrate the latest in media technology with traditional methods of advertising to be able to craft successful marketing initiatives for business. For this reason, I am applying to the marketing MBA program in order to further my understanding of the business field while also enhancing my ability to design creative and effective marketing solutions. During my sophomore year of college, I completed a marketing internship at a local business that helped me to enhance my understanding of strategy development as well as market research. I was responsible for aiding in the development of a marketing strategy for a new product release, and it required the analysis of large amount of data to determine the optimal outreach strategy. Through examining spending and browsing habits of people in the market demographic, we were able to successfully
Demographics.
design
Yeah.
a marketing project for implementation in the summer of that year. This experience allowed me to learn the ins and outs of successful data analysis for markets research. Through this MBA in marketing, I hope to be able to further enhance my business acumen while gaining a better understanding of market movements. This program will allow me to take on relevant industry driven projects that will allow me to enhance my understanding of the application of marketing concepts to real world problems. I look forward to learning from my classmates as well as the professional faculties to improve my skill set in the field of data acquisition. Am I right, ma'am?
Yeah. Acquisition.
Acquisition and
Yeah.
analysis as well as marketing concepts and strategies.
Yes. Yeah. What is this person saying? He's talking about having a new and innovative idea. Like if you want to, I'm not only joining MBA because I want to come up with some new project or new idea into business. If you want a stable business market, what do you need to do? You need to have successful marketing strategies. You should be able to use your marketing skills in such a manner that people should go and buy your products. So long run, how are you going to be successful? That is going to be the game changer or whatever you can say. So in order to further my understanding of the business field while also enhancing my ability to design, he wants to design creative and effective marketing solutions for others. This is also very good idea, like you get into advertising and try to bring out the different projects, different ideas in order to capture the market. Then during my sophomore year of college, sophomore year is the later stages of his college life, that is called as sophomore. It can be anything. Sophomore year of school meaning the high school, the second stage or whatever you do, that is called as a sophomore. So sophomore refers to now in school it will be your 8, 9, 10. Maybe in college it will be your FY, SY, TY. That will be your sophomore year. So he completed a marketing internship, did market research. He was responsible for aiding in the development of a marketing strategy. So he was responsible for helping out to develop a marketing strategy for a new product release. And it required him to collect large amount of data through examining spending and browsing habits of people in the target demographic. Demography refers to the population, the controlled population where you are checking out for. That is called as demography. So while you take up a particular course, while you're talking about marketing, you have to check the demographic features also. What kind of people live there? What is the annual income of the people? What is the per capita income of the people? Everything you need to take care of if you are going to have a successful marketing strategy. Because people of low income group, if you are planning to start something in an area, you can't sell woolen clothes in a climate where it's extremely hot. It's not going to be very helpful to start a this thing in what do you say, in Mumbai, right? And so you should know where you're going to start what kind of business. You go to Kerala and all, or Chennai is extremely hot. You can't decide to start a the woolen this thing over there, or in Calcutta it's not very cold in these states. So you can't think of starting woolen business and all. Of course, you can go to north, like Kullu, Manali, Shimla, Kashmir, these things. So you should decide where what will work. So that is demography, studying the population of that area, the age, everything, gender. So it helped him to do data analysis, and through his marketing in MBA, he hopes to gain even more uh, what do you call information or knowledge. That is why he is applying for this course.